Hi and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup, where we keep our PLA hot and our spatulas sharp. I've been looking at recycling recently and free cycling, using things that we use in everyday life and then dispose of, but reusing them for other things. In this case, aluminium cans. You can recycle them at your local recycling centre or stick them in your blue bin if you live in the UK and they recycle them for you. However, you can also use them for terrain, and I've found loads of really good uses for them in terrain, everything from sort of barrels for cutting them in half and using them as bunkers, but I found a really good 3D printing STL file where you can actually use an entire can, sprayed, and then using 3D printed bits, make it into a really cool looking chemical tank for, Prometheum or whatever else game you're playing. So yes, here is me reusing an aluminium can for some really cool looking terrain. Link in the description as always, and let's give this a try. So yeah, you can use recycled items such as cans and tins to make some really good scenery. I mean, I'm really happy the way this turned out. It's like the rust effects on there, and even when the paint went slightly bubbly, it sort of turned into really, really good sort of rust holes and knot holes in it. And I've used some nylon oxide to make some really good sort of leaks and a bit of corrosion on the top. And yeah, it's got a nice sort of 2 layers to it. So you've got the bottom layer around the sides of it, and then you've got the ladder up to the top platform. So it's really good for Necromunda and Gaslands. I think where you can have sort of several layers of combat. So yeah, very happy with the way that turned out. And yeah, you can get that from the STL file I've put down below from Thingiverse. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you can click the notification button up the top, it will let you know when I next upload a video. I try and do one a week, but sometimes I'm a bit sporadic, as I say. If you like what I do, please leave me a comment down below, and thanks for watching.